I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, Timber Creek. I'm Sophia. Florida will be like a house on fire in weeks with loose coronavirus restrictions. Details next.
And I'm Victoria Costa. Updates and news around your campus, those stories next on the Morning Report.
Florida reported another 1,500 COVID-19 cases on Monday. The state is bracing to become like a house on fire. One infectious disease expert states, "What they've done is open up everything as if nothing had ever happened there, and you and I could be talking probably in 8 to 10 weeks, and I would likely bet that Florida will be a house on fire," Osterholm told CNN's Jake Tapper. Health officials in Florida reported 2,908 new cases of COVID-19 and 118 deaths on Friday, according to data from the Florida Department of Health. Data was delayed on Saturday and included into Sunday's report, which topped 5,000 new cases. Governor Ron DeSantis signed an executive order last month allowing bars and restaurants to reopen full capacity. In Miami, 3 students and 1 employee have tested positive for the virus, according to Miami-Dade Public Schools. Unfortunately, despite loudly voicing our concerns about a premature reopening of schools, we now find ourselves in complete fear and misery after only 4 days. Carla Hernandez-Matz, president of the district's teacher union. The U.S. is averaging more than 46,000 new COVID-19 infections each day, up 12% from the previous week and more than double what the country was seeing in June. Infections are now on the rise across several U.S. regions, and experts warn the number of cases far too high ahead what's forecast to be a challenging and deadly winter season. The latest U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention ensemble forecast says U.S. COVID-19 deaths could reach 233,000 by the end of this month.
And here's what's going on around your campus. Open House will be virtually this year on October 19th, 2020, from 6 to 8 p.m. Parents will need to access their child's Canvas courses to click on each class period. Don't have access to the Parent Canvas platform? Click on the following link to navigate to the Open House information. Please click on the step-by-step instructions link to help you log to the Parent Canvas platform. Attention all seniors, Bright Future Scholarship is now open. This is for seniors only.
Now over to Ethan with your Timber Creek Sports Update.
Good morning, Timber Creek. I hope you guys are having a wonderful morning. Now let's jump straight into your sports. For football, the boys have a game against University High School at 7 this Friday. It will also be senior night for band and the dance team. Make sure to tune in to the live stream starting at 6:15 to watch the game on YouTube at TCHS_Wolf TV. For volleyball, the girls play at Haggerty High School in a district tournament. For girls and boys bowling, on Wednesday, they both have a match at home against Jones and Astronaut High School after school at 3. For girls and boys swimming, both have their senior night at home this Wednesday against Lake Nona High School. That's all I have for the sports. Now on to the break.
Okay, good morning, class. Today we're gonna start off with attendance. I see Gerald, Gunnar, and Owen. You all have your cameras on. That is great. Tanner, turn on your camera, please. We are starting. Tanner, hello, Tanner. Okay, he's getting a 0 for the day. Okay, guys, Gerald, Gunnar, and Owen, please stop what you're doing right now. I am starting class. Guys.
Pay attention.
Okay, guys. Class, I am sorry about that, but please, I express this. Just because you're in online school doesn't mean the same rules don't apply. Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Signing off.
Yo, you got the stuff? It's right here. Yo, can I get the jewel? Jewel? Forget about those stupid jewels. Not that one, this one.
That's all we have for today, Wolves.
Have a great day, Timber Creek.